guys, I'm back to my channel, back with it again. So this is just a short video, and I think it's definitely gonna rain. If you see the sky, it looks really like gloom, and my mom made me wear like long pants because I was still wearing short pants. My mom said because the weather today is really gloomy. It was pretty cold. That's why today, since it was my holiday, I was just sleeping, and from tomorrow my exams will start. I'm really scared. So, and I did say in my last video, if you guys want to wish me, Abab and Arham good luck, just subscribe to our channel. So I feel really good luck, and we will try to do good as we can. And there's actually construction going on in that building. They're actually breaking that part and doing something, probably like giving it an extension. So guys, this video is going to end here. It's probably going to rain. Comment if you guys are seeing this, what I'm seeing. I'll see you guys next time. Just end this. Bye bye. Peace.